Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne and today's video is going to be on another foundation review. I love foundations so much and I love to review them. I hope you guys find it helpful, and yeah, so let's get started. So today's foundation is going to be the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Foundation, and this is the package. I just got it a few days ago. Haven't tried it yet. I got my shade in light tan. This foundation claims for all day confidence, long wear, weightless, full coverage, and it has a velvet matte finish, which I'm really excited about. It has full coverage. So it comes in 48 shades, and this retails for $42 Canadian, and it's available at It Cosmetics and Sephora's website. This is the package. It is really cute. It has a white cap and it has a pump as well, and you get 30 ml in this foundation, which is a typical for all foundations. Yeah, and it's glass, so yeah, I'm really excited. I always had good luck with It Cosmetics products. I really love their stuff. Like, I love It Cosmetics skincare line, so I'm really excited about this foundation. So I already primed my skin and I use this It Cosmetics Awakening Serum. I'm just going to shake this foundation. It doesn't say shake, but I like to shake it. So I'm just going to take one pump of this foundation on the back of my hand. It's a big pump here. It's not too thick. It's a little bit more on the runny side. It's very fluffy. It's not thick, which is nice. The foundation is going to be a little bit maybe warm, but we'll see. We'll make it work. I'm going to start on this side here of my face. And this is the Sonic Hashik sponge, and I'm just going to blend. Okay, so this is one layer of this foundation, and it blended really nicely. It looks really nice on the skin. So this is two layers of this foundation, and it looks better. It looks really nice. And always don't forget that the sponge always gives you a more of a sheer coverage. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try a brush on this side, but I'm just gonna show you the difference here between this side and this side. It's really beautiful, very radiant. I love the glow. It's not flat matte, which it says velvet matte finish, which I really like. Yeah, it looks really pretty. I like it. So this is the no foundation side, and this is the foundation side. Do one pump here, and I'm just gonna mix it on the back of my hand. I'm just gonna apply it with a brush on this side. It's given me more coverage already with a brush, and I actually like that better. But it's given me the coverage, but it's not giving me the same glow on this side, which I do like. But that's alright. And you're using less products with a brush, to be honest, because I have so much left, and probably I'm going to build up this side. Yeah, I like the brush better. This is my second time using this brush actually. Okay, looks really good actually. I really like the coverage. It is full coverage with a brush, and you don't need really to build it up. It's really pretty. As I said, it's more on the matte side on this side. As you can see, this is so glowy, and this is more like flat matte. You can use a facial mist to make it dewy, but yeah, I like this side, but the coverage is really good on this side. So I'm just gonna take a little bit more, and I'm just gonna build it up here. Yeah, so the foundation went a shade darker on my skin. I can tell from the line here. You can see on the back of my hand the way the foundation looks here, and then it's darker when it's dry. Yeah, it does oxidize, so just be careful. I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup and I will be back. It's 11:40 in the morning and I just finished my makeup. So it looks really, really good and I love the way it looks at the moment. I just felt a bit dry, so I actually went ahead and sprayed my whole face with this matcha and white tea. I will come back and check with you at the end of the day to show you how it looks and how it wears throughout the day. It looks really, really good. It's not settling into my lines, or it's not accentuating anything. It's not accentuating any texture or dry patch or anything like that. It looks really, really good. My baby hair, it's more prominent with this foundation, especially on my chin area. There's like a fuzz here and I cannot put down. I will come back and check with you guys at the end of the day. It looks really, really heavy and cakey around my nose area and my mouth, and chin a little bit better than this area here, but the smiling lines are horrible. Don't like it. I just want to, you know, touch it up and do something about it. But I just wanted to come here and show you guys before I fix it, and I'm just gonna zoom you in a bit more here. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm looking in the mirror and I'm actually seeing so many like lines here. It just looks horrible. Like and the other issue is like my nose area looks so heavy and cakey right here. It's really cakey here as well. I wear glasses today and I think it just like there's a mark of my sunglasses. It looks horrible. It looks in person, I can see those things right like quickly. I hope you guys can see them up close. Yeah, other than that, it doesn't look bad. Like everywhere else, like it is so smooth and beautiful. Like I don't find it being bad. I'm just gonna use a pressed powder. This is by Arbonne and this is in the shade medium. It doesn't have like coverage, but it just adds a little bit of blurring effect. So I'm just going to do that. I don't know if it's any better. Hey everyone, so I am back and it is 12:51 a.m. and it's almost 1 o'clock at night, and I've been wearing this foundation for more than 11 hours. I did check in at 6 o'clock today. It didn't look that great at 6 o'clock. I had to wipe it off a little bit, touch it up. It was not working. Around my mouth area was horrible, between my eyebrows, so I still didn't have that much luck. It was getting so bad around my mouth area and my nose. I actually wiped it off with my fingers. It was driving me crazy, especially on my chin area and my smiling lines. I did not like this foundation at all. This foundation reminds me a lot of the Vanish Liquid foundation by Hourglass, and I did get that foundation and I returned it immediately. It was horrible. It greased like crazy on my face. It was, I think, worse than this foundation, but this foundation actually reminded me of the Hourglass foundation. Yeah, I did not like it. It looks okay like everywhere else, my cheeks and here, but right there in my nose area it looked horrible. Like look at this, like it's not cute at all. I'm not sure if you can see how badly it is. Even after I wiped it off, it's still like breaking apart and started to come off on this side here, and then if you can see, this side is disgusting. I hope you guys found this video helpful and probably would help you in the future. Probably get a sample of this foundation before you buy the bottle, and yeah, save your money, I would say. If you have same dry skin, same concerns, you know, fine lines, smiling lines, I would say save your money. It's not really a good foundation, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.